So this is the Algo Laser Pixi. Absolutely awesome little laser cutter engraver. This is a 10-watt version, so plenty of power to cut through things. But as you can see, fits on my desk, an absolute treat. Straight out of the box, using this, push the on button, and away it goes. It's got some great safety features this as well. So if you do have little ones in the house, first of all, you can put in a passcode. So you need to tap in your sort of security number. As you can see, I've gone for that good old favourite 1234. It does have a hose that you can sort of feed out the window. So you plug that in the back or straight out the window, and then there's no fumes at all inside. So real easy to use this thing. Fits on my desk, a treat. So the first thing I do is, I do the bit where it shows you the outer edge of everything it's going to cut. And as you can see, it does go right near the edge because I've made sure to just fit everything inside the wood I need. So it does have a cutting area, I believe, of 100 by 100. And the other thing I love with this software is when it does get going, it shows you real time on the screen. So say this protective screen around the outside, really, really good, because as you can see, you can barely see the laser sort of thing in there. All you can see is a bit of a blurry dot. So great protection there.